Hi, my name is Andrew Mugler, and I am a faculty member at the University of Pittsburgh. So, in my keynote, I will talk about molecular communication between cells. And I'll talk about two examples, one in which it seems that cells disrupt their own communication, and one in which it seems that communication disrupts the cells. So, the first example involves yeast cell mating. And what happens there is one cell secretes a pheromone, a chemical, and the other cell detects it. Now, the weird thing is that the other cell also secretes an enzyme that destroys the pheromone. So that's weird because it seems like that would degrade the communication. But in my talk, I'll actually show that it enhances the communication. The second example involves cancer cell migration during metastasis. So some cancer cells secrete a chemical in the presence of a fluid flow, and they detect that same chemical. And the reason is that the flow biases the distribution of that chemical, and that gives the cell a directional signal and allows it to migrate downstream in the flow. Now, the problem here is that when too many cells get too close together and they're all secreting this chemical, then the concentration just saturates and no directional sensing is possible. Now, what happens here is actually the cells switch directions, and instead of going downstream, they go upstream. So I'll talk about why that is, and I'll talk more generally about how cells make binary decisions in the presence of competing cues. So I hope you come to the talk, and I'm looking forward to the conference.